onyane team shape the right nti na o hwe ya oba branch e fene scissors for the quarter on the right and obo Emerson Pemeri on the left and obo Christian Sene branch e fene e Kazuma na the last game omo boy no omo ntimi hold the fort no for team e fere Chelsea e me kwan be do akire ho yie no obo those two players but in front of them and a Lampard did adwuma di nyina and any center back no matter Sergio Ramos and then Rafael Varane even needs cover. They need the cover of Carlos Enrique Casemiro. David Luiz, Rudiger need the cover of N'Golo Kante. Don Terry Ricardo Carvalho need the cover of Michael Essien and Claude Makélélé. It is a Chelsea center back no. Acquire them, pairing just solid. Omunya resolute at the back. They will need a shield as to this particular game. I know Mubebo. N'Golo Kante baby just in front of them. And about Jorginho and about Martin Kovacic. Into a human, let's make sure say you defend here, we defend in numbers. See you attack here, we attack in numbers. And you saw a solid game from the Chelsea defense. Almost consider goals, but so checking more the ball in terms of how much closing space, in terms of how no much blocking, in terms of their disposition in defense, in terms of the teamwork, in terms of how they play with proper shaper. Na bibi ato say Chelsea for next year bibi every game woman Manchester United boy. And the game when started here, Liverpool started with Mo Salah on top, Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain on the right. How about Sadio Mane on the left, you know? And me Juma no cross eye full kakra e Chelsea. It didn't make us a Juma no full kakra. The channel of supplies for the Liverpool attack because Liverpool the team are almost like creativity in midfield. James Milner, Jordan Henderson, and Fabinho. Any players are almost the creative instinct, almost the creativity in their game. It is the channel of supply and the creative forces of Liverpool and their front trainer almost actually goes now. And in recent times, Salah has always been and Mane has always been players are the creative forces in the attack of Liverpool. Into almost finding the antidote of Sadio Mane in the first half. And as Salah coach that top no. Chamberlain and more with the Liverpool setup and Nche. Into the understanding of Roberto Firmino de Bema not Chamberlain to farmer. Into the channel of surprise. I never by 18 no. We're lacking footing my friend Liverpool. Into so what's your second half now? Roberto Firmino by now. One player more attack in the function is Firmino. He start the game, he start the build up, and Nasa two players end it, and on one end it. Into the technical switch of Jurgen Klopp in the second half. The introduction of Roberto Firmino. Emma Mo Salah call right. The moment that Salah call right, no, at the end of Chelsea, you stretch the Chelsea defense. And clear. Salah balls about 18 by the chances by now. Salah the next starting game on the right. Because now Emerson Pemeri among the space kakra. Emerson Bobo very, very well. And for me, he's proving to be one of the standout left backs in the game. Until Salah by any man, the Chelsea defense no look open. And I no pave way for branch FN Sadio Mane to get in the goals and look at Roberto Firmino. Very efficient, very workaholic, and the team play, the game focus. Anyhow, see concentrating on the field of play. No, you always love to have Roberto Firmino in the Liverpool team. And clearly, Jurgen Klopp put in the bar. Oba Chelsea would the officer was started on that particular game. Everybody is talking about N'Golo Kante. For me, it's no news because in terms of talent. So we check the talent of the Chelsea midfield as compared to the Liverpool midfielder. Liverpool for now Geniema Bebre. They've won the Champions League. They've won the Super Cup. But in terms of talent, Kovacic, N'Golo Kante, Jorginho Motres, they have the talent and on any day. So I'm right to the occasion. I'm betting and so share how much crowd the midfield for Chelsea. They were just super, very cohesive, and on that team play, you will love it. And N'Golo Kante, I as a more pankwa. In the central midfield run the boss to boss. No, sir, boss and battle. And he started that goal. The first goal by that is the N'Golo Kante for you. Into Chelsea on the right, shape, Omunya on the right, defensive as a team, Omunya on the right, as a unit in midfield. And the only problem in the Liverpool team, no, especially at the back. Van Dijk once again. A coin that for and 5 in him, papa, and take the through balls. Almost the fair one, I am them. Almost the fair man, and that Christian Pulisic guy, super player. Maybe a better ball on the field. how Obesi Askepo, space Obe creative, the pass, and Pedro was all over. And Chelsea yesterday right into the occasion is so well, and no me ready. The only problem when you understand no money clinical upfront. Liverpool at this particular time, what you then also much experience. Into experience, they are Liverpool at draw much because no money are listening post. No money Van Dijk any match no more solid in defense in their previous games or more. And I saw a shaky Liverpool defense. Man who defense on the Champions League, man who defense on the Premier League now. No more dinner so betting me create to hold within them no man who sir. But in at that particular level you trust Liverpool.
Okay.
Experience a key. Imagine in 1977. Imagine 2001. Imagine 2005. Into omuni how a super cup you see Bono. Into fully relaxed and in a go down they came back equalized. Almost about to shave you. Extra someone ready for the battle. In such tournaments and as in such games, I'm kind of what time in the gates. Experience has always been the winners. We here let come out Valencia for no more Bobby Jeffrey. And then what? Chelsea were missing that experience at that particular level. And to check a penalties, no. Omo boy, I'm missing one to a bond they say. Omo in our say. But you need a player who had that vast experience at that level. Play go house. But Vinicius Borre Madrid. Check the experience level of Vinicius Junior. Into Obebo penalty na technique no any accuracy in any BBR and Abrante FN Tammy Abraham Messiah. And the moment I will miss no, what do you expect? Liverpool will clean that opportunity and on the very Liverpool on yesterday game now a share in there. Chelsea for me played very well. How much I said they are a team to be going forward. And in such championship side, especially in the finals, who expected player be able to rise to the occasion and then Chelsea played very well. But Liverpool show class, almost show pedigree, and almost when it comes to experience level of football, you can always trust them. And almost side the bidder and the other Chelsea problem and so I penalties.
Okay.
Almost to Bayern Munich.
It was on penalties.
And Romelu Lukaku na kobo on the ball and say, and I Jordan Shaqiri kobo ball on the 2-1 on the G. EFL America so almost David Luiz ne Jorginho na kobo on ball and say no. And almost the and yesterday was Tammy Abraham. The Chelsea problem no. Ado penalties especially when they get to the finals. But how much they say Frank Lampard did very well. Zuma me born the he played very well. And Lampard that said with the right material and with time, we'll be seeing a year going forward. Me expected so much from him because I have put it that I tried him so much. But as a young coach coming through the ranks, I think say he to start getting the result for Chelsea. And I Chelsea for any better with a legend, I would grab our coach. And I feel say he's going to manage the player very well and get the best out of them.
But on officiating, I
don't know, me okay.
Oh, okay.
Me okay because well at a point, born the other Anthony Taylor, money, Mark Clattenberg, money, those referees no matter.
But when we are man in China, maybe Sasa.
Oh, I don't mean, me okay because decisions no. Bob, you hope people in China, Kaka, me penalty now, almost Liverpool born. Just the end penalty for me was still a penalty. Na contact na mana and me buy on say na me video no ma share video na who say no there was contact and for me member referees 80% and I was okay with the performance of the referees. Now to FC Barcelona, well I do Pierre de Fonatia say 2 players plus 100 million euros for Neymar da Silva Santos Jr. Barcelona are willing to sell Mubeko. Sika 7 na aye thing because already now checking the cash of Barcelona. Nini Bukurim say Barca will go in for Neymar. It was Antoine Griezmann and Frankie de Jong. And possibly Abrante Efeni did it. Enna. No almost say Mubeko for. But with time. And Neymar say and Neymar can say Pierre de Foreman can no be see aka from Barcelona. Which baby I on number Portugal here. And no team semi ban in the game on boy I personally watched that game. Now share this is some you from stores. It was a Barcelona and Bobo scanner normally go for branch never. Neymar in here introduction to the world game. He is a winner and a complete player. A terrific one indeed. But I do the question will be able to say why Neymar and Carlo Ancelotti Beckham Hanano say Coach FN and Ernesto Balbadi na ehunu amane because players na e dey bread no e toss no na san bro no especially in attack na ma make say Carlo Ancelotti nka na no ntum because ono so timi manage that level of stars ni bi e we AC Milan had Rui Costa, Kaká, Inzaghi, Andriy Shevchenko, and at that point, Hernan Crespo. But Ancelotti to me the best out of them. Onwa as a coach in the team of boy in Milan. Now Sachi, Rijkaard, Gullit, and then Van Basten. Inti, so your coach, I had a mayor who level and your managerial acumen and mayor who level our players are better Barcelona there. At this particular time, when you coach, not only be a smarter or any problem. But I do. I feel coaching is quality. In the Barcelona team, and I said, Barcelona time and again said they will need a complement of a certain player in attack. And some what in the Champions League review. And I've said it time and again, say, any papa open the Champions League, Men question baby from the 90s. Now the system when I coaches in the Champions League was the 4-4-2 system. Into check teams are not almost the Champions League then. The Milan team of Arrigo Sacchi, no more Van Basten and Gullit in attack. Barcelona had your fair Champions League, no more Hristo Stoichkov and Abrante and Jose Salinas in attack. Time I AC Milan the second Champions League maybe more Athens. I brought much Barcelona by 4. And the almost bus up with a 2 top. Daniel Emilio Massaro. Any Abrantia, your friend Savicevic. Those were the 2 players I only be attacking them around here. I asked to run with a 3 men up front. Rijkaard, Kluivert, Finidi George, and Obamas. Omoje Bakope. Juventus so the 3 man by Gianluca Vialli, Ravanelli, Del Piero. Omonso J1. Omoje Bako. Real Madrid they signed him after 31 years, you know. Omo buy with the 2 top. Into omo buy na straight away na omo bebo Abrante Fernando Morientes and Predrag Mijatovic. Almost Valencia was starting with the second. No? It was Anelka and Abrante, your friend, Fernando Morientes, 2 top. Almost Biono, it was Raul and then Abrante, your friend Fernando Morientes. Into 2 top on this side from 1990 buyer. Milan, it said Biono, it was the same old story. Into 2 top on the Manchester United regional. It was Andico and Dwight York. Until from 90s, the bus habit the early 2000s. I don't know, 2 top. So now checking the UEFA Champions League now. From 2010, Edeba, Opa the Champions League now, Unyani Pamiensa, Unyani Patu view. The system has changed.
Okay.
So the system has changed from the 4-4-2 setup to a 4-3-3 setup. Until Nemakase, football now you're born in Neno. So Obeji Kappa, this over 4-3-3, and Liverpool football, yeah, the same thing. You need that system before I bet me at the trophies. Inti Mary, Ekofa Benzema, Omokofa Kaka, Omokofa Cristiano Ronaldo, Omopa and then fat. Because not up night 2, they need Gary Bay, name on top night 3. Go and check the Inter team. Me and sign attack. Inti Omokofa Gary Bay by another man the champion with 4. Time on Barcelona the Champions League go. Olympic Stadium in Rome no more Messi. Pedro, and then Eto. Time on almost the Champions League or Wembley, no. They have Messi, David Villa, and Pedro. 3. Almost the Champions League or Berlin, no. They have Suarez, Neymar, and Messi. 3. Liverpool or Salah, Mane, Firmino, and almost the Champions League, no. In the other, any Pamiensa. Barcelona in recent times,
I said Barcelona more ni Pamiensa.
Omunye Nebi.
I said Messi. Suarez and Griezmann
Ado. Suarez about Champions League now close to 3 years on shall we go that. You find the Champions League.
Okay.
Into Omunyebi. Into Ubo checking say how are they going to assemble on the field of play? Mahu line up upon line up bebre. Mihu be a mitimis rekakla, especially say Mihu Sergio Busquets, Mihu Nelson Semedo, Jordi Alba, Clement Lenglet, and then Gerard Piqué. But for the I feel say stable.
Okay.
But in midfield, no, me who say most of baby or me who line up no do na. Eh, omo ye bo 4-2-3-1. which has never happened in the history of Barcelona. Coach in the deba, coach be betting as because system I make now. Coach be in the deba. Carlo Ancelotti did Christmas tree in the bar and Obia Mobi. Or no one our boss and what I saw mobile. They say we're back to the old system of the 4-4-2 into Obia Mobi. Into coach be to bet him the Biaba. I'm now working the Barcelona setup. Because numbers are on what 4-4-2, but way back after 90s. By now, about the bar on some ball 4-4-2. And then intimate fear in the Champions League. But I don't. My who 4-2-3-1 with Frankie de Jong and Sergio Busquets.
Okay.
Now my who Griezmann, my who Messi, my who Neymar, my who Luis Suarez. In terms of variation, it turned out to be 4-2-4. I don't. So system we which is share park as well. We share Real Madrid on a good day, Juve on a good day, Liverpool on a good day, 4 on your best GPU. There's no balance.
Okay.
So about Griezmann, now about Messi, now so about Neymar. You need 2 players that will shield for the 3. And you want to pass the ball, and you'll be on study Barcelona in the preseason. Coach now must have Busquets and Frankie de Jong or 1 match with that because 2 players fighting for a certain position. But they do say our politics, bem. Majidi da Majibi da neba experience bem. Sergio Busquets will always be the first person on the team sheet. The coach will create a room for the certain player. It can work because the coach is na yemane working. But I do. So what the team so about the typical double pivoter. Now no man you for any booby. Omo Lingard. And omo Rashford. And omo Abrante Feno Marshall in Pabiansa. And omo Paul Pogba and McTominay. Into Ubenya Bako best sacrifice.
Okay.
McTominay. Ono born ono credit himself 1 year and 1 attack ya born obobi. In defensive transition, ono na ho de be ye adwuma e de ma players on one anim nyina. Pogba is strong, he can tackle, he can battle, he can close when he decide to. And as o decide to obey ya obetimi aye. Check the height of Pogba. Frankie de Jong is soft. The range and as a technical know-how as a player, a passing, reading of the game, movement in midfield. The asset as a player, any tackling. Sergio Busquets, ultimate tackle, ultimate winner, acting as an anchor man in midfield. But I do check Busquets in the last 2 seasons. Some more dinner or crown or the sukure biana.
Okay.
Experience in the whole born can
I
do. So when you pay me no, man attack man yensa. Who the dealer for the backup of nation. Or more boy table in Didi. No, my balless will be Ahmed Musari Chikwizino. Into born a panetia, we mon Benante, Messi or Benante, name our own cotackable. Griezmann so Benante. So I rest a Benante into winning the two. Check Barcelona team no, or more money ball attack, say a jibble a few beyond.
Only a few.
Emzon you too. Yes, a walk was saying. Unless they decide to press you in high press no magic. Until you need a system that will contain the stars and a system who will control the midfield.
It will a coach assistant man.
Barcelona has only one thing in recent times, and that has given them trophies. A 4-3-3. Who you coach at the who you need is done in bold decision. Name and Barcelona or in here competitor or a starter.
Okay.
Lionel Messi in here competitor or a starter.
Suarez in here
competitor. Suarez in here competitor. So you choose between Suarez and Griezmann.
Okay.
And per baby Barcelona didn't see the Griezmann obviously will be the choice.
Best start ahead of Suarez.
Say, oh yes. Also say me media America.
I would
It's me about 4-3-3 now. The midfield is going to be Sergio Busquets.
Okay.
Maybe I will still maintain architecture and Atamelo. Frankie de Jong will be on the bench because me Frankie de Jong per Ajax game our ball and the Netherlands national team no he's first to the ball. Into a deep lying playmaker. Since now control game the variety type, the Busquets type. Into if I'm to stand Frankie de Jong on only ball 6, not Sergio Busquets are bench. But the moment I start Busquets, or he will be on the bench.
Okay.
Team when you have to do with that Libya. I'm with that now on in Casa Miaka.
And on your veteran church.
One more Bequetrio. It's Arta, Busquets, and then Rakitic.
Okay.
Attack now is obviously will be Griezmann at the top. Messi will be on the right. Neymar will be on the left. In a 4-3-3 setup.
Solid. Okay, you better and the camera say yeah, Papa. Maxi, I bet you Maxwell and Kabat. The idea UEFA Best Player of the Year nomination now. Abba, Lionel Messi, Van Dijk, and Ronaldo voting na starting. So Lionel Messi LED or 42%, so and Van Dijk 33%. Ronaldo 25%. Maxi,
wait, Safo. To begin with, me feel say the meeting now Barcelona and PSG coach and they very very important.
Okay.
The money is important. They say Barcelona for expressing interest. PSG I say a better on yen ton.
Let's say Barcelona na Madrid expressing interest.
Yeah, also interested a bit late.
Oh, okay.
But I won't say the meeting was between Barca and your friend said PSG. It's not maybe person me try say like the meeting was good because I say why expressing interest. So we here player now open. The end they announce so I saw better and I saw on ton also decided. It a Barca bibiansi.
Okay.
Meaning so what I say just not bibiansi. Into at the meeting no and no be able the starting point. Because meeting no be able Barcelona for be who they appear for here. And no matter so more preparations may be on my they drew. But say drew what somebody be cocan one they be quite na bro so na so moko. You understand? And when a PSG so Bema Barcelona for na ya where said this and that is what we want. Into the meeting is good because I'm at two things, you know. I am fully aware as to what the tax is ahead. Good. It is the one who said this is the tax ahead, no. So we be kwa na uko unkwa na wasign. But say be a meeting be a my no be a never touch na me told me the way they are. Be ansi just speculation. So the meeting now was in a very good order. With the proposal neighbor who said PSG be so we recoup the 200 million pounds on the tournament. And many of my arguing. Because PSG the name are buy because now they want to rival Barcelona and Real Madrid to also become a big team. They are a big team in terms of finance, but in terms of success, you know, on the continental level, they are more from kakra. And this same player, Muyini free Barca, they know so okay, I'm breaky Barca kakra. You understand? Now after 2 years, the same players know I'm going back to Barcelona.
I'm breaky and kakra. So from then,
where kakra?
Barca need Champions League.
Oh, David. Now Barcelona say every year you're going to Champions League. So sometimes baby I'm pushing, you know. I am a problematic. Barcelona have gone close to 10 or so years without winning the Champions League. It means the entire serious take meaning the entire acquire a change tonight as a Barca champions. I don't it doesn't work. Barcelona in their history of matches say 5. So any Real Madrid because or more target to atwaso.
Barcelona more jet to atwaso kakra.
Na Barcelona back to back Barcelona. Barcelona back to back back to back Barcelona and J. It will push Barcelona to a certain corner and what that competition as if they are the best and there is no one there. There be a say sometimes it's unfair.
But in recent time, we are heavy.
Of course they are. But even heavy, no Barca and J Champions League back to back that. So back 2011 at Barcelona J. The last time was 2015. How many years? 4 years. It did this 4 years at Barcelona and J Champions League. I see that in this current Barcelona team. So what is new? Meaning so to me argument as here. It's about Champions League. Barcelona and yet the cream the new team and new team will be a hand or by our money
players the likes of players are more it is a man here it is a man here Barcelona fans now they home
of course yes it's Chelsea but bro say Chelsea and yeah home team be and yeah home Liverpool for example
teams be a man here
the last time Liverpool J competition how many years ago if me right it's about 16 now 16 years no more back
Liverpool now
15 years no more back yes
205.
Yeah.
14 years.
14 more years now, Abba. It is our case such a team, no. And then this season on yeah, this season on yeah. I don't take it.
Obian confirm Mike and Gogata who are champions.
Oh yeah, no. Say
players Barcelona wo
me no ya adwene bandi enye kan wa kan na kyeresa wo koje eh de obey wo pass de ye kan de ze nko ba bia
say materials am na
na me ka jo say me 1 billion me 1 billion zi obi am de it me kan enye
ba say Dangote ka so me obi 1 billion nipa no anida
it enye Dangote na kan
it na me say mo Messi mo Suarez
the it dey
it
it ombobo bi omo win
of course
eh wa heva is that football
yeah
Arsenal mo team
Arsenal dey
Burnley ni adi na ncham Bali omo team na mo woni. Enti eye football. They are me trying to say Barcelona enye obo Champions League ni dia they top side. But they are not the cream the enye team obi ehwe omo ho. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah, the obo Champions the team obi ehwe omo Real Madrid, no doubt about that. but even Madrid crown no
the team the players how kita
o so be a 2 years and boat that Usain Bolt 2 go say
all go near 2 no but message na
but it is for oh share Barcelona make me feel say 4 years no he sign
okay
and even Ubisa Neymar crown my main cast assembly and yes Neymar buy Barcelona be Champions League
okay
and statical because Neymar play Barcelona how many years 4 seasons almost 1
so we have a count Greece we have a count
me say Neymar become Messi boy 4 seasons it took Suarez from your friend saying Liverpool ne buy that season almost ball 4 years MNS almost 100 and he go Champions League back the Befi. You understand my point? It's in yes say Neymar Barca and Joe buy just a Barca conje Champions League. It doesn't work that way. But with the inclusion with the team, no possibility on magic. Now even Neymar cry free or Neymar and son will be free or no. Barcelona point. Yani PSG, they got to the quarters. And Juve so you or Momeboa. And if round of 16 was a quarters. But minus Neymar, Barcelona were in the semi-final. So what? The last season they were in the semi-final, and it took Liverpool that dreaded team on ball 4, and a Liverpool to and the team or J Cap. 80 minus Neymar, Barcelona can still win Champions League.
Oh, okay.
Meaning so that is where I stand. But Ebia time then a better or more and nobody know because already Chelsea team are Drogba leading now. Nobody would have ever thought saying that team win there, but they won it. It is what I want all Barcelona people to know is that Neymar coming here, we all agree. But yes, a name our bantina just say oh conje Champions League. No, it depends on Eduma obey. Again, no, say oh share 100 million. Any 2 players and if say PSG mom na or benefit more than Barcelona. Because PSG person recruit 200 million pounds. Say almost 100 million euros. Now almost Felipe Coutinho. Felipe Coutinho currently over 150. Meme price and the man no. Now I be heard Ivan Rakitic. But what I say, what a man fan said, Coutinho cry 100. Even Rakitic is 50. That will give you 150 plus another 100. That's about 250 million. Ain't it? PSG mom, yes, Enyanfaso. And Coutinho, he still has a lot in him. Ain't a possibility of bet me about happen. You show Brazil ye clear ewo. Rakitic and so although when he, but he's a player, he's on song. You understand? It when you 2 players we Koshema. Maybe some bet to me affiliate the void na name a create. If they are the style no munya but results in the they will fill it and PSG will also get money. Okay. Now to Barcelona now bisa baby a name a be fit in.
You being a coach, you a coach.
Yes. Oh, me na me a coach and a easy job for me.
Okay.
Yes. And untina oh brilliant way say who your coach and your waduma. What I say? Into be and you have to be on top of your job. Say winya stars. E kwan ya obefa so ahye mu ye nkra kira how heavy awoye. Because coach bi so benya stars no onye heavy nto ntumi nhye mu ye. You understand my point? Yeah. The same stars so the bema one coach obetumi ahye mu ye obo say bibia ecosystem obi so the bema na ontumi nhye na a trade difference where they are. Until Valverde is also a coach because they bring in this is it or he has to prove a point and it is his job. Now say in a team no be Valverde aka actually Sergio Roberto say this year no be used to midfield more. But what I say, it is our goalkeeping department. I say in a Barcelona team line here, Ter Stegen the Oni Obi Ambre, arguably one of the best in the world, if not the best. It is here a coach never say Nelson Semedo, ebe buana more than Sergio Roberto because Osha Blanders be bright a Barcelona team as Sergio Roberto boy to the wa a one efa. But anytime a Sergio Roberto be yard dear or Barcelona team, nay midfield no over. The coach, you know, see as a medal and all counts on him on the right back. Now, Oba the only Piqué a constant because he's a controller. But between Langley and your friend say Umtiti no, coach need to make this idea. It is over her pre-season now. Or many players or munya a lot of time pass. He's here to decide. But looking at the way things are no. Langley able to make Ako because of Umtiti injury now about only Piqué bebo. Not Jordi Alba abo 3 no. Now, who made the 2 basic vivi Busquets ni Dijon.
Silver Sports.
And nothing na on person almost shape Rakitic out. Because Dijon as a young player who scored the Abane expectation or what some man opportunity more exhibiting a talent. because our Ajax team, you know, send your money big team share your boy. Yeah, he's a player you can count on him for years. 18 on person almost shape Rakitic out because Rakitic age no so. Next Dion, I stable in the team, but the difference in Arturo Melo, any Dion is or mobile. Bedru baby, you also go for experience. And Sergio Busquets, the senior no born 6, you know, were redefining. Team Bia won Barcelona one more style of play where they are not ready to change. So they don't play that crashing number 6. Until Barcelona banner number 6 now be ball crashing, I want to me more be free. You understand? They have a way they defend. It is a oh no boss 6 now. Barcelona so a midfielder now be successful. Sir, we good in interpositional play. Again, so we good with body swipes. So we a player of Barcelona now best intina Rakitic or Bayern Muyi Savina Otumi Beshin. Or Rakitic a bad body sweep in interpol. I say be a born what they call right or they only ball to the American. I saw what they call right out to me or body miss we be not born about that is what they Dembele Ebra Barcelona he's too direct. It is a Osha Busquets no redefine it. It's a Busquets ne a true melon no ebe chabo. Because Busquets age no kosoro into onre aturu Melo no ebeche ehonabo say be ya Dion they want to build a team with him to no be stable until no person mo shepera because a Rakitic to ho ono so ne Dion na mo so be den ebeche abo enti ubenya Busquets beba na Dion abo na aturu Melo ebetena se na Sergio Roberto nso atena se adeptize two way.
Okay.
Now obe nim na obebo Messi on the right, Griezmann in the middle, Neymar on the left.
Okay.
Now the Suarez are two anymore. Because Antoine Griezmann ain't prolific. See me? So what the numbers now on your prolific, your prolific striker baby. To say Messi, ni Ronaldo, money, Lorenzo Luis Nazario de Lima, money, and then he's not that type. To say Aguero, mono, oh, I say Kane, mono, he's not that type. And yes, on him go, say, but on she goal, the brave. But Emom, or you're very good, I was set pieces. A bad penalty, a bad free kicks near, you know, a deadly. And now your player, or to me, had Jenny Bebre in the 18. And Barcelona, so all the while, Nipo Bebo Barcelona 9, and I saw you prolific. Barcelona aim to win fan 9 on your prolific Emma, Intina Suarez Bebo. Because Suarez are Sakura, no Champions League years on ya, they agree. But what Sakura in the season be one more problem over 30. You understand my point? It is Suarez, the name on Nebebo. It is a opesa containing name, as a Barcelona call 4-2-3-1.
Okay.
It is 4-2-3-1, no. Semedo, Langley, Piqué, Alba at the back. Now about Busquets, Dion. Now about Messi, Griezmann, Neymar. That is right, middle, and left. Then Suarez will be on the top.
Okay.
Until say Ebia Suarez best started so show signs be say Hono Emfa. Meaning say what you say. And even that one cross Emfa. Suarez can also play from the way, so Messi can be moved to the forward. No about false 9. Which under Guardiola time and no or this a lot of goals. Neymar cross would need in a hot bebo. And a Griezmann on a good day so bebo. Ain't he or more options? But the back where 40 as a Barcelona as a team, no philosophy Johan Cruyff building more money say. I say let's forget some team near. They don't place premium on defense first. That coach is not more far. Your friend is saying, your friend say, Johan Cruyff system. I say Guardiola let's forget some money. Your friend saying, we as a Wenger money, our coaches no. They don't place premium on defense first. What they believe in is a board here, measure 4-3, me person say measure 1-0. It is obvious our teams now. Our coaches no, or more attacking minded football. Because they feel like football they need to express yourself. In the Barcelona system, they say, in a game, bet me I say 5, me I say 2 at your mom winning. And written as still, the likes of Piqué mo, or one air bossa. But man, ya dear crowd, league jet or matra. Because so far, I am ready to be a mekase. Even the greatest Real Madrid crowd, Lega, they celebrate. Meboa. Every team, but Barcelona did crowd, people are disappointed. Even Barcelona did double. So I'm going to cap. Lega, people so man, ya
Some fans, no.
and your fans, wrong. Expectation that more they are too huge. But it's a normal football club. Say any other football club, say Chelsea, to say Arsenal money are doing in a year competition City money now, so they can be beaten. Iti Barcelona have gone a long, even Ronaldinho mo team na no more. They only won the Champions League 1 in 5 years. Who had Real Madrid Galacticos no more assembly na. They won the Champions League 1 in 5 years. In 5 years they won 5 trophies. I said Ronaldinho mo team in 5 years. Eto mi na 5 trophies. So what I say? It's in almost always maybe a oko fast stars ba na OJJ trophies. It can be Sabasa between Abobo and Mebonina, but the Champions League can still elude them.
Okay.
But me person name a movie because we say many me obia first day o move na me catch and semfa. Enye bia emfa because they are no your name wa. Because ne papa crack
Nti wa bani de befa.
Say we a big star. Ye hu wo Spain, ye hu wo England. Leagues na aka ne the Farmers League. Because this is Italy, pass so be bobo Italy near man the best player in the world. Emfa. I just say nipa na ye be extraordinary. Ye beyond imagination. Obviously we be to bobo Holland this year near the best player the man. Emfa. Into every big player you have to perform at where the big guys are. Meaning so what I say. It's big guys England and Spain. That's all. So I can name a movie crowd could be a Manchester, it be a Chelsea, it be a City, it be a Liverpool. I would have blessed that. Meaning so what because competition now great. But say nya ho dia say yes Spain. Ronaldo the ono ba the ono so I'm mobile biem kura dia why no where you. Forever in the history book his name will be there. It is our copy new challenge Italy normal because he wants to win here, win there, conquer here and conquer there. That's what he wants. And he's doing. Yeah. But we a young player. Now Barcelona so per Ballon d'Or ni bi aba. Na Italy cry am fam obi na France. France they say a factory or mo produce players ever. Meaning so what I say.
Go kwa make difference.
On to me. Because different young kwa na be make a team na okobo and a league. Bro so what I say. A league na okobo. Enti won kwa won to me. On say tama the man Messi GD was Spain. No, there were stars there. No Bobby. The man Ronaldo GD was England. They were stars. Even team no born, not stars ever no. Meaning so what they are making. Now friend teams here Champions League. Moko final kwa mobo bansa. Ilion.
Team be a final bobansa. Team be a final.
No loser.
Bobansa.
It's Chelsea share no bobansa.
Oh, so me do finals.
Oh, you don't play.
Me do finals. Me do finals.
Same way there.
No, I said bobansa.
And to bobansa. Yeah, but how say? Ebinu wo ha Liverpool so mko final no lose so they are disappointed. Chelsea they are disappointed. Barcelona disappointed. What I say Real Madrid had a big time disappointment. I said Tottenham say you call final no we were disappointed. We were highly disappointed. But now Arsenal big team who catch them so call final bobansa.
I said me time.
Time. It is I think say
okay.
Yeah so be bana ball be den enye Barcelona but ball be den when we are make sure ebia Liverpool e dey on top 3 na eba na ebia Barcelona so the top 4 name aka ho na san hia bie mu a ni ahwe de be ko na ma ball aye de what's a Manchester so to oh Harry Maguire no mo do so Lukaku it's so 100 kg
so no defender
na Lukaku ya 90
and na striker. Okay, I know I am right here final Maxon and Esen but menya message we Baba Musa champion oil new road Tafu new road ho o say already no nya adwen all the time you say Barcelona the trophies no so man ya Champions League na kan ko man ya no Baba Musa for that all the time Baba Musa say so mo Champions League no the no message mensaka but my to ande kakra na mafie nsam ofie pa and then some of you know masa esen kuri na grocery recruitment agency almost say pacho a bus driver unim ka twi e say adwuma bakata eba world cup eba so e wo nti say the nyuma bebre aba e dey ama bus drivers nti pacho unim ka twi na wadi infie from 26 to 45 years me pacho ma wani nye na fa wani che grocery recruitment agency for asoye na wo mu entumi emwa na tumi ko kata koye adwuma omo se pacho kwa se onim akenkan ene atwero nya se bus ne nko na se ohutwi akenkan ene atwero se wo atumi ehu na esa so se otumi nya valid driving license omo so mo accommodation sanso na free medication bosome obetuma jibe over 3,000 a month as salary 3,000 Ghana as salary nti we do my same patch say we do any and so a church come so no more no more fa into quite from our 0508 07 8527 0508 07 8527 na me patch wo any more and so into me and twetwe and komo and so ewo ho na Panacea Pharmacy almost say diabetes no mutu ase enti bo modern say we are diabetic patient a wo de wani ebe cho na me patcho omatumi abo mo so ba 85 echo glucose strips no me patcho ombe ma obi na omasan so ama Eviva check echo glucose meter no omasan so ama bi enti patcho bo modern say wo de wani ebe cho ma so na me patcho o diabetes se che yare no ha adweye papa omo se fasika kuma mi bra scan do 200 Ghana cra fabra no muntu o diabetes no ase enso entumi emfa ma wo na mpacho company bi anase hotel kese bi ewo asantememu a omo se niema wo mo ewo eyusu ewo mo hotel no iso mo warehouse kakra ka bi ombe so mo tonton wo mo niema de bi ukọ ha callock no mo ede be ma na obie callock na hwehwe niema ewo mu pa masa onye bi ewo fi a ebema bibia akoso kama enso etumi dia mampacho china eno mu bi omo warehouse no enti bomode aso be from animanim ya from na agika lock no bi na mepacho biem na hwehwe select niam o pese yusu awo fie big hotel awo Ashanti region ha na mepacho china dwumadie no shase 10 am na omapon 3 pm 10 am na mepacho mabie wo mo warehouse no ma start tonton niam no na omo apon 3 pm edachna anase Wednesday Friday anase Thursday Wednesday Friday anase Tuesday Wednesday Thursday and adwumadie no she ase enso awonti from our 040243 anase 0243 47 1403 0243 47 1403 na me pacho wo any omo entumi entwetwe enkomo Prince of Zion Academy me pacho enche a school for no ebebie school na oya maame oya papa me ka cho say school ba ko pese o ma oba no ekono Prince Zion Academy esa so more ultra modern sports complex and so ana me pacho more ultra modern laboratory and as a science lab no or more and as a computer lab no me pacho mo obi mo teachers no graduate a wo mu animu ede enti bo mo dia se pacho di oba no ebeko no mo se omo niam bi omo de keka enkwala no ho a ebo omo ye papa wo se akwala de pa kwantu etu so hu de abrochire hu nsam kransa wanyi wo se akwala de wo so na akoje visa ma na simple ti me pacho sama mutumi ede enkwala no kra ko Europe ekoto Europe sanso ana me pacho summer school no so wo mo classes and so yefo ni encho na me pacho nkosua ade enso awo from our 0204 30 64 44 0204 30 64 44 na me pacho oni omo entumi entwetwe enkomo Utrax savings and loan me pacho ho na ebrebre se odi wusika no etumi ekokoto esanse bank awon wo di wusika koto a ni manim ya no uhia loan bi omo ede be ma na ankanka government worker de what wadi we are sorry na odi usika koto na uye project bi o me from na o maboa ntie for esika no enkoto Utrax savings and loan na me pacho de bi ye ko ahochirema o mo abababo amonya banks na odi usika koto na me pacho o mo ede to talk cars esisi dan ede am mo girlfriend because o ma adwuma no over 20 years ni o mo hu emma asemtie enko Utrax savings and loan na me pacho ye fa esika no and so entumi enko etuo ukokomle omo branch wo sanso na tamale sunyane tachiman Cape Coast kaso akoforidua wa takrade sanso na akim oda mukopie mu enso ewo some danket asafu nyina wo ebora ho a me pacho ubetumi ene omo enso etumi atwetwe enkomo enso ewo Kafam Ghana Limited pato television no papa no ewo na wo ebenya ne tiefo ni enche Kafam Ghana limited na me pato yenkokoto television ewo nya no kwa no mo eton mo ton rice cooker sanso na iron sandwich maker kettle any other appliances no okowa me pato obenya bi enso etumi ato ho omo ewo shop ako ewo Crowfrom opposite Crowfrom MSC hono okowa me pacho obehu omo from I was 0244019518 0244019518 na me pacho woni omo antwetwe enkomo ye be call line so na ye ne one astute lawyer bi atwetwe nkɔmɔ yɛn sɛ nsɛm bi kukuru epagya ba yɛ pɛ nkyerɛmu nso akakraba high sense mega factory discount no mo egu so dendenden ɔmo sɛ deɛ nneɛma no sɛ yɛ wɔ factory a ɛtɔn no saa na ɔmo ɛtɔn no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ abɔnten sɛ ɔpɛ ɛyɛ television saa nso ɛna air condition wopɛ ɛyɛ washing machine a bɔmɔ ɛde asɛ wo ɛde w'ani ɛbɛkyɛw deep freezer kora na ɔpa atɔ saa nso ɛna gas ɛyɛ cooker sound system mobile phones no patɔ ɔmo atete so nti high sense mega factory discount no bɔmɔ ɛde asɛ ɔbɛkɔ na mepatɔ wɔ nsa nso etumi aka ɛyɛ ɔmo product ne ebi mepatɔ ɔmo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kumasi mall bora hɔ wobehu ɔmo nso so ɛwɔ hɔ saa nso ɛna Accra so mepatɔ opposite Opera Square wura hɔ a mepatɔ wobehu ɔmo saa nso ɛna dum ukopie mu ɛwɔ Kofo Clinic building ma wobehu ɔmo nso ɔmo mepatɔ from ɛwɔ ɛyɛ 0302 55 0000 0302 55 0000 na mepatɔ oni ɔmo entumi antwetwe nkɔmɔ nso wɔ hɔ Junior Me Company Limited ɔmo sɛ mepatɔ for 3 days ebesua intensive training ebi wɔ hɔ 3D eposi no wɔn so wɔn de 3 days pɛ ɛna ɛkyɛw nsa no adwuma wonya ɛyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ obi adwuma ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ obi adwuma adeɛ kyekɔ etumi pamɔ yɛ pamɔ nso a ɔyere no mma den ɛna mo bɛdi ntukosua nsa no adwuma na mepatwɔ otumi enya sika na mepatwɔ nso otumi ɛde bɔ ɛyɛ wɔn nso ɛbra mepatwɔ Dufie conference center hɔ ɛhɔ ɛna sɛ dwumadie ɛbɛba so ɛwɔ Dum Tower cinema ɛsɛ asɛ 29th August 2019 29th August 2019 until from our 0248 9005 02 0248 900502 na me patrol wo any omo entumi entwetwe eye enkomo enso so ewo ho me patrol Rockstar Roofing and by yodi ebeko Rockstar Roofing for ene ho balance ebeko oni akwa ahoma ne so na ye momodi ase betumi atwetwe eye enkomo enso ho balance line no entuto mu ye say line no atumi atomu ho quickly my call line so na ye ne openye e friend no Ali entumi entwetwe enkomo wono na ye manager edema eye Coflex gym wono na ye manager enso ewo ho but enyo mo ewo ahoma so Andy ye mrafie kakransa ye nya penfo no ahoma so etumi enyo mo enso etumi atwetwe enkomo and ye hwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko branch Sonny Yakuba he's back waba na kra nya ntie se wa hwe wi obetuye mepie mu our training grounds na ma hwe na ne nsem kan ya wo ho no wo mo atumi akaba ma yen court line so na ne Ali Amadu antumi antwetwe enkomo Ali bibi abakore Ali bibi abakore yeah na Kumasi Ali Amadu manager Erema Coflex gym I say omani across folk sign a contractor has players na and omekwa yeah gym Ali as I say contract no for how many years na then na ma money house of folk agree say money omo sign partnership bi na abrebia no matumi aba mu gym ho aba be training boys no Hello Ali, what's your name? Na me bisa say na me bisa say about sign na money house of folk akọ that partnership they say every time we are no house ewo ehon kwa so be training ewo mu gym ho na that partnership no for how many years? Hello Ali. Too bad. I said Ali and Andy. Yeah, Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Seminole and so Kakra. Sonny Yakuba is back now. A lot of issues we aba amount for complaining and I say players nim so say Sonny Yakuba bana the painful nimna omo e Sonny Yakuba etuma. Just Sonny Yakuba change mu 11 ono abema no pass sansa. So mo pa be mo pass there. And so be Sonny Yakuba pass pa na Sonny Yakuba Asamba be gin dia bo Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters for and I say team so dwa de nya dia ebesi Andy you ransom.
Well, first of all, two things. I don't say my buy now I was just trying to see Nama share Yakuba situation in the city ene ekwan abrante ne fa so koye ene di nti a o maaye and a host of other issues medical kan wa han no ase me ogide sa abrante whatever goes on into the team no onya ombo na mane nhwehwe mu chese di nti a waba no hey suspension na o tie no
Okay.
Suspension nti na ama Yakuba aba according to me nhwehwe mu no I spoke to people who are involved in Yakuba and from a close source from a management source to be honest also Yakuba aba na suspension na o tie se dabi so che o hope omo the suspension be man ado wa confirm wa so omo man query letter nti watch them say from a management side no minti me money pa din dia but watch them say eno ne ade a Yakuba ti ya nti apuchi na man tentem so aba be pim ha no from Yakuba side mam komo kakra me so me didi ye no chesa branch no problem kakra ni problem ne say ni pra na wa pra no onu so hu ne say se ye de sena no ko Germany dia na nhihye o ho say Abdul Ganiyu enso omo de ne be kutu kwa idea mado ono so fata se ono so timi ekọ Germany obi na ne problem no ono so omukọ ekọkọ yema no and aro eno ne Yakuba so concern na ne nkrofo no omo nso I read that particular concern na ono nso aka kire omo me busa mu se Yakuba ko eno omo target in touch with management members na omo ti dem oh ha na third parties no was send the picture maybe need more push the amount. Well, from a Kotoko side, and as a Mishimu Kakra, my year to say, Ebimunsu believe we say, say, Ebi Anja, Omoyan and Nine Mana, na Ado, Habranti and so Dini Prado, or no so the hotel and etc. Contract in Shimucha said we would next year April, meaning so why is Anshimona. In Shimucha said we would next year April, mom, and yesterday a D can bar out. In Tianchan, who told you are non so the other day. Edico, and only a mere Shimu, my new nye Ubia within the team, and a man with that particular info. I don't know see in China. Kotoko breaky, and a Yakuba castle or Yakasu Bianco. Yakuba ko no sika mpanimfo cheye say who you player and I say who you part of the Kotoko team na to maji the TI1 dia e also omuma musika no abrante no add the share of the money ni onsan ye happy with insensem uncle George Amakoka ye ton ye planning after you no onsan ye happy with that but I do you know there are two things. One, yedi ka kasa nkwan a Uncle George Amakofa so kasa no entwaye
Andy support you me ba me call line so na me ne Ali Amadu atwetwe nkomo kakra Ali afa o teme ka na money has deal no sign it here
You know what contract? Across the floor. You know what contract? Now, Mr. Macathan say, I'm party, you know what contract.
now contract now for how many years and I say for how long
It's around 2 to 3 years. Silver Sports.
oh okay I ask for any time you met me about training boys never
Look at your eye. You know, some days beer, specific days beer. You know why to say, I'm a banner, I'm on the train.
now there's no specific days no been days ben
Okay. You know why to say every Silver Sports Wednesday of every week we are on the bar and now I'm always training happy.
oh that is great you about Ecoflex gym for about to say money has to me go that partnership now him say gym there over food supplements bi or ha say oh yeah wonom Neymar munumbi Ronaldo munumbi mo ba has players ni bi anoma na
That is very Silver Sports. But also, you know, boss, management, it was why I get planning something like that. You know. different thing but the house yeah so I don't know.
Okay, Ali Amadou, and then we are 798.3. Edasi. Okay, and then Ali Amadou, and I know, and so I can and come on. See, say we are food supplement, or money back on, food supplements, no, and so I can't dia na asem ankasa, and a better teams, no, oh, Krumwa. Has the Jiro Monaso, no Mosanso, and a food supplement account there. Na a some bebre, a some bebre, and a better. Timsa, I want a chromo. See, do you know 2 to 3 years there has about a year training, and on every Wednesday, and I will quite be ano has what a kind of a training. Our Jimo now, Oko Yakuba and some of so. Of our no tears he has
from the inside source once again. Yakuba surgery, yes, surgery.
That number baby say, I have just surgery, and surgeons will have
wait there, and I'm from the inside source. And we have corner by now. Me am young back, but we not there was your moody already. So I don't know some more can say Yakuba and Peninfono a year who said the surgery in your surgery, yet the quabruchly. And then yet I don't and yet any manimu surgery. A surgery I'll bet me in the latter part of the season.
Okay.
Into Yakuba ya aware, send the surgery in your bruchly surgery. But I do Yakuba who saw more send a new corner. No one who is so much enemy.
But what catch them say?
Oh, yeah, where say? Hello, yes, I'm catching and say, I have said you none yet. A chair said they guarantee.
Now, so back when you said you are.
Me bad. Yakuba and TB, that's almost all more than said you are.
Yakuba no Messi.
I don't mean come as more than my men come at me.
Or come as
or Yemet or Messi and all Yemet road me bow. Inti, now Yakuba got and I don't. It get to a certain point. It get to a certain point. It was said the medical team of Kotoko. HC Yakuba class or more common a drew. A drew our Jama want to know. Get our Kotoko to Yakuba.
Other than 9 Kotoko for Nana.
They paid for him and Omni Trianica. He's a footballer who works for Kotoko.
And our prayer and the more drama and what. And also idea power.
Young Command Dr. Raymond Kuba. Oh, Barcelona. We are Fana and Cordia. And the other, that is the situation of Yakuba. Yakuba Prano. Per the medical report. Any penny for Munim day. Any a catcher say a has surgery and yet at New Germany. But Yakuba and Tiasi. I do or call Bokina. I'm saying messages in the day and maybe I'm a GBD. Medical team, the messages or the bro insulting. And then some our catcher on and ask them Ketwa.
Okay.
But I do Debbie I can say Yakuba situation. The money yes signing in say oh people within our money info
within the management
baby ado only footballers with a master footballers ado jeje
then so be you
omo your politicians it will be a bit me amount the litany of events I see in the team into what he said omo baba suspending land and 10 times why waba first of all Uncle George Amoko anka say 2 the posture Abranti friend Sonny Yakuba attacking from last season over Kakon over champion San Okoye. To win the first game of against Karobandi or none the fitness level.
And me try no but poster aya a man for George Amakonya adreno. Me at times me Uncle George. Sure. Because to me and take Kotoko to ransom sir. Ado,
the entire Uncle George Amakodi and into you are the CEO of the club. If the player not taking the club into a ransom, what do you do? Unti me there uncle kasa obedi. Ye tie bi mo ken da ya mo. Mimi e bibi na ken timi anka na ke asa akwa kodina si awa ta kan wate. O kan kire wan. Una also act until if you cannot act, o ko akoto wate to atre wan. And from the other side, na ye kan sado. Obi e wo deal with the player transfer bi anim say the moment I will be cancelled, Boniafa player don't reduce the cost because I'm not fun and I say whoever or better or kind of wants on the internet. Obian person or better and disciplined player. In Tianko de Makusaka say a tone. So what tone dear any in Semibu hard or so. Yes, that is my point. I mean Casa or Casa when you Casa or Casa and he's the CEO of the club. Into another also acted and they supporter ordinary supporter meeting I criticize it. Ordinary supporter meeting a boy Akubachi. Or no one say bia, but the person who has the final say in the club is the main administrator of the club. Untimin Kasaya, ado ontimi nya de oso ya de nifula eniku aso no ko complain tire obi na ye tie ado who your doctor na say who say complain we yale ani ado one be so yale until that is the point of Ake George Amakuti Yakuba posture no ado but you see one you blame the club, two you blame the player the be more blame player ne say what is sika and ado the time make the time make us Ake George Amakuti ko say ko kasa sika na amocha master sika na amocha for players on Maditia one but in the club na mama ni sika ni you understand
say adwuma de oye bi intended
yeah bi enya adwuma no ye bi adwuma no tene krom enti ado okoye na osika maya so obebusa me I catch you say you don't sign a contract with the club the team is playing in Africa what play you so ba what do krom peska na le denka mekwa akotena body na boso me so mo de atom ma beje so za de ye ne dia enti mas no ye adwuma na bi but one sign contract in kotena baby
okay
mat say Yakuba obo nyina kuma se no bobo Yakuba obi anka se onimbo enye ne technical quality ne kan wase ni behavior on the field of play ni behavior in the team ne kan wase nti ado ni posture for kotoko ne wrong absolutely wrong and supporters ne penasem he's a good player no question about that and me buy na me catch you say abege buy na nka 2 Richard at 2 nka din obi an discuss Yakuba but o hwa attack na what ti hwa out there bi akwa no mo say nyam ya ta shot on target kura ya mutimi bo 90 minutes no bi amobi nti wo hwa attack na no hote no guy no a player wo quality nti still almost say hia no nti Yakuba pocha na wrong Ake George Amakuti na wrong but ado the man Yakuba yes anyima we nyina number 1 e ntorade na omde ko fa for Burkina bae omde ni draw akra omo man is ka omo be deny so mama na hwe this is a player who me call for dollars before our book game. He's not a mature. I'll maintain it and I'll repeat it on any day. I'm a to Chelsea. Omuko mediema. Omuko gapuha. Omuko bechem ko bogos. Yakuba oba ya we match sawa ko boy Carrera. Eduana die na mete ya match of Meka score line. And I think these are the two games. Any oboase die na okobo 9 goal no. Asa games ni na ya baba yara in the Ghana league na ya bon. Most of the games are Yakuba Boni. Until nobody is saying he's not a good player. He asks a lot to the Kotokoti. But the behavior, no more than buy and so tarnity. Let me tell you interview. The behavior, any more tarnity. Also, I'm catching the behavior toward the club. You're wrong. Okay. It is absolutely wrong. Okay. And you're only the greatest player I got to quite down. My
NTA sound bites, Vina, Max, over sample movie, man, sorry, over sample movie. Now, send me by Yakubu Moro say, one of Kumasia Santikoroko, Albert Bruce Sikano, send pay for share onward transfer be 40% and San Kai. It's a same pay for here. Almost a Samnako quarter, I say, the Kumasia Santikoroko. Share Moja Padian and say, bet Matun Toby at their settle, Brekum Asna Bobuku. Yentia Alaji say, Alaji Name say, as I say, Kumasia Santikoroko, Osikano Mon Triamount, Namusa Court, 10 September, then I got to Kotoko.
Obaso ko to se kete to na mo se ko je park no to ministry ko sa ba den na yi ni mo park no ni mo se kete je mo ba so ti mo bia se mo bia be to ni ati ke ke je mo dia ari am mo ke da mo pa mi me de ko se ko to obaso ko to se kete to na mo se ko je park no to ministry ko sa ba den na yi ni mo park no ni mo se kete je mo ba so ti mo bia se mo bia be to ni ati ke ke je mo dia ari am mo ke da mo pa mi se ka wa dia mo yeah, but so you know we're going to know it. Tell one man to respect a moment, and you're fine.
Alaji, Yakubu Moro, I said, to go to Japan, son. I'm a town as a sign in the color. Now, I'm with the man. Albert Bruce, Dr. Kiki, some time on Kofa, Nabayan. The one with transfer, I'm say a court say, Kotoko head. Now, Tia, Brukum Asna, Sika, Emma, Brukum Asna. What's your friend? We said, now, also respect call Makotokono. Ama eso ati. It say Kotoko Japadie. And on my betrayal. I can't behind. Ama court atwana. Maxo.
Yeah, Sika Sem there. For a bar in some crowd video is on country. So it's schedule in some no crowd which by a case. But I feel like Sakotoko Eshena the all can I no crack. Neska na bomb on Sakan. Or Monshano Money or Montanasi. She scared you there what the car, Yanchuntum. ebi ebetumi say court no ka say ye na wonya wo asset ye befa bremum say wo show commitment say you are willing to want to pay any ye hwan kodoko feel say bibi sa wo so mutua so what I say betumi ni omo ayen hyehyɛ na omo atua and yes every month be I say be 100,000 every month be $100 no omo atua depending on what they get meaning so what they make yen fa man so wo say na watua ne kaka na efro because teams in Ketua no more than kotoko for that is very important. It's a kotoko feel say there is something like that they should just do it na yenya peace to play the Africa because no so say time na e kono enti no so dey awurem no so aka say nipa be ba park or beje nti the peace should prevail but say kotoko so hwe na say bibi sa ni wa legally they should also fight it through the court o metumi appeal meaning say what say because it's here nyame kura mpe enti inyeza we Kristo ni obi sisi wa na o se enyewe sisi me na me Kristo ni eno nyankopɔ bɛka sɛ wo nya correct
Yakoso ni Yakuba
enti yen hwe dia bibia betumi aba so Yakuba has been in Kodoko for 2 seasons and semi anas the any free man any NCD enfan said 2 seasons betumi nya the total number of goals our Shamai because me number near be 10-12 if I'm right you know it's every season be on my 6 Safo bibi mfa
then mfa
bibi mfa
then
6 a year and 12 in 2 years when they see a standard number for
I must check the number of matches.
yes but say if matches where infan say enye hwe kra e utie o the African ni ali nyina aka ho a nti ndru 30
Oh there be mama mo akakra with the stats or share 4 in 5 last season
okay
or share 4 in 5
4 in 5
oh nefe announce league nim no in the Africa or share 2 in 5
in 5
yeah
Africa you bought more than 5
oh send your matches ni na
then Karabanji obem second half
yes
and if you were ni nyina
Obokotin Sport home and away to make it for 4
and a group stage
Obozesco
yeah 2
no Obozesco high ho
one more 1
Obonkan Haneho
2
to make it
making 8 Hilal yes 2
no Hilal home and away
so making 10
2 in 10
in Africa
okay. Yes.
10
yeah
2 goals in 10
yeah 5 assists
yeah okay cool
that is his stats
yeah
and Tiawan no
yeah
Tiawan no
yeah
or say 1 goal I think it was the game against Mediama
yeah
yes
and you know he played how many matches it clear say
matches no matches that had no go
it's the
Adriana game
he's good no doubt about that but me I believe in statistics statistics the entire very important a mature talk and no if there is one you can't turn it to and when we are using statistics to talk and yet the awarding and yet the daho meaning so what as you try and when you're 50% 50% obi meka so or unya 80 maybe me 90 it clearly say if this is the standard is going to standard na air fall and say so na ti dia na say Ghanaian coaches nso wa adwuma ye safo because yenya a Ghanaian player obetumi ama yes figures way by goals or Ghana had we are joking Abdul Fattah Shafiu ye ball we no NC competition how many goals he scored 10 or 11 me boy top scorer me boy it is the point I want to prove in say so be no obi bebo Safu tie dia make sure na say so be no obi be den obi kwa a opportunity for obi to also rise enye sanka omo ye radio omo starting with Kumasi nko mo na be ya forever if I ni nyina ye bem Safu if I na buy it is time for you to also rise it is obi ankwa nka you know also be or we know also be here it is our time to rise
na sama soko
but the bia ye me say oh radio ni okwa ye ntumi ye okwa sa no mbe it will be said the next 20 years yen nyina radio ya nkwala bi ntumi me radio ana say players on bobo yo mo kotoko player big o maja bi mo me bobo inti the oye deal no mo fa man respect nya mo fa basa mo ye me say nipa ni untouchable oniwa ye ntumi mo oniwa sa na be and these are the facts because safo hwade ye kwa Africa na Yakuba goals in the short no ebi mo ansori anse goals ma kotoko anko mani
yeah
yebo NC tournament say Yakuba prime Abdul Fattah Shafiu once round magic goal kimi anje tournament no currently omo nyina ni hwe Kotoko team now we not playing in Africa. I think in case of even Nigeria team, much stronger than other teams, countries near Bobono. See, and you are mushi more than more because Ghana and Nigeria. But we are all praising that the players went to score too. Who are even new players. It's what we need to here in Ghana. Nyamiya we have the talent in football. And the essence say, so be quiet. Ube yo be the ashim. So build it's good to see the foreign players but a treatment sending on the can almost started the man no and a generator I could do that level. Meaning so what I make an answer and a generator do that. It's a drew baby a ginsem because I don't understand me TB say Kotoko Africa team near Africa the mom yanka masam than play or not baby on your ready so by my house. Another player we play on the baby on some year can how. Instead of the team now on Mobile Africa currently now Yakobo 3-2 on the so winning or home no their concentration motivation maybe be a ni ho but mom e player on mom only Ghana craft no free Ghana and why it's a more players no so feel bad e nipa suban e man omo feel bad because omo this year I say war year call players way more but na the troops omo na ye soldiers dey kwa akon no omo na see encourage your money yes ye motivate your mom ye for weapon dey call ni ye jai na soldiers e bi omo operative ya omo ntumi nkwa akon ni bi ene ye che oda kwaku mensa ma ide kwaku mensa ye be dey ko wini sa fight no it is a Kotoko support test ne obia ni me ye wa attention na enko ye team na nka say gina because omo na see omo represent we ye dey omo na be represent here minim say what dey American na Oba Baka, it will be good for us. Why not? Because they be a makase. Nkoma mi di wo coach we. It is so Oba. And you ma be or in a bebwa. But yenya now we still have to play. Again, Uncle George has some no kind. Okay, Nasa Al Khaliafi. That's some no catch your name. O catch us up on Kobisa. That's why you're rough. On remember not now 2 years no more to come on in mobile. One can't say name. Maybe one can't say name. Has never been suspended. No. Inti uya ne broswa. Sometimes o papa do pa, but uya ne broswa obe to me ayobi ma obeka say bi kro mpe wasem. Inti what I'm trying to say e bia nye boy ne person but ne manager ne ha akola no. Because one Anthony Yakuba beba Kotoko no obi anim no. Minim say andi na unim na Ghana. But so what no obi nim na. The things are not boss the Malian or crown so she goes or board them and nobody knows it. So he came to Kotoko to try NFI. Yes, NFI. Was my case a player but trying just on your good. No be NFI. It is a wukasa walker then cry. Kotoko no cry na peja Yakuba so cry more. And no so ye be my entire two sides of the coin. It's are you trying to tell us that with Yakuba no Kotoko to me more about we have to be man. Even Chastel among you know, there is no single player whosoever that player is so free what the team will not stand. It's a players no so it stems from that fact. Because Yakuba involved in a limited no. They won the NC Cup. And they are in Africa again. This time they are even in the Champions, so don't forget that the other time they were in the Confederation. It is this reason you will move from now and you crown so they are about Confederation. So you move a step further. It's also Kotoko ni bia den attention that call. Then again. Why need you know raise about the medicals and then we work a crack on. So what shall some ne pound? Safo bibi sheho.
Then sure.
Mean to mean today. But ye who sad na de bia baby a obefa bia obedi for. Player or what contract? What na the open way.
You see treatment, you bet my I treat you. What see the kwabra ne kwama no.
Yeah.
It also young from kwabra.
Yeah, he's very right. They are right in it. But just uti. Yeah, you had it. Sena no epra. Baako epra. Gani epra. Yakuba epra. Meboa. Good. Now what is sena no call abroche. Na o hwesa o de Gani be kwa abroche.
Based on
nyabotre nyamaminwe. Maminwe.
Based on doctor say what happen.
Yeah.
I heard no mu say yeah Richardson and me surgery no. Omu to be enya wa.
And more informed.
I said
send no Ghanaian engineer the same engineer.
The same
according to
okay. Yes.
Okay. But what you mean? Enti say o de mienu kwa abrochire no mo aka wa ha no ye wa ha eye nipa su obedi yawo enti de e ne say wo na wo friend na wo mani wo explain bi kire ne say oh eye say any say
ebi enso na management ai ba
they have done that already for Yakuba
yeah eba injury situations are very delicate because we say no he who feels there one no he who feels it knows it
no medical doctor
for example my mom example back how many months over the months over back
mama no is it 6
and only say around 6 months what is happening
so is it rehab
good it's a within this man can so mo yi metal ni bibia man ko start training meaning say what you say it's where nine no mo ya men ka so man yen you but there are complications by say yen sem nyina na ye ka wo meaning say what the American say ba nyame adu bibia ekwe ya afi no wa ba mo so mbe metal it is say oh share omo ye yo mo abroche no mo ye rehab ne ba they heal faster and the players can play because injury no I am a career threatened meaning say what you say and now no matter the injury equipment ye the be wa han and say the be wo enti the so mo ya say they should explain to them say oh say ni enti ne pese ye dey ye but say one you say like as a player na kasa dey now do we akwa abroche kekenti here the problem but that is my point and me prove
okay
and now say ko on the medical team na nkasa no over who say be ameka say so mo argument mu ye
because as
a free long time yes
they keep changing
and one area your pitch na your training no sisi anyame adom mo nya two it new one here very good standard very soft it be prevent injuries but I still wait saying the second one no omon converting ko AstroTurf meaning say what they make na say nanka embra modern trend say na be say kotoko enso what the modern trend of facilities by Yakuba issue ni de ni nyina pam no twa no de etene say bibi hye ho but sa ade no eye management ne akwala nanim enu tina player no work contract uti da major the open no ye maybe I na ye me am say de bia so we meka say Ghanaian player na ye safo or starting so ye say enka ozire enka sabi supporters ne sabi ombe tutu bia mane na busua ne nanam ne ade nyina what the major enti no omonhwe how mbetumi aso back is going to help us a lot now what has happened to the numerous contract near so when ya says go when ya wa hanewe
the gospel truth is ideals now and go through
amfa
intena wasa
it is about the crowd who so mo kotokokra na ye bigger no mutumi solve issue
okay and no ya Maxwell and you be bad me to ade kakra wa ha LPM se bi edoso Sek GP Limited me pacho eba akwantu hu nsem dia fakọ edon mo na ise omo G visas e dia amanfo o pese ko Australia with work permit but mo dia se wo edi wani ebechi o mo se the security men a muti kromo a yebo ya adwuma yentua mo kan mo fa mo ni enche o wo mo ese omo de obekọ kata na wakọ ye adwuma o ye taxi driver sanso na bus driver omo se adwuma ebu won ti bo mo dia se wo edi wani enso ebechi o omo se US visa no wo mo eji e dia ma tiemi o emma eno mo eji US visas no e dia mo sanso na Canada so ekro ba kwa me peso akopa no Canada omo se also visa no available nti mama yemfa ni enso enche ofre Sek GPC GP Limited for 0243 75 74 40 0243 75 74 40 na me pacho wo ene omo antwetwe enkomo omo patasi behind Brother Man Sports near PIWC ho okoma me pacho obe ehu omo enso so ewo ho GD power eno meme dro bema obegia brane dia gro e won paso amaya ma mo piafo GD power no edro we manu biato na bo mi ye papa sambe me kwa ko pe ebi anum na mama dia gro e won paso intimi nua bema bo modia so obepe bi na ama watumi dia gro e won paso ama bibia enso etumi akoso kama e dia ma waist pain no ebetu ase sanso and na back pain je nobody pains no GD power ebetu ase ama ho enso etumi ato sanso and na GD ma no me pacho malaria etete wono GD ma no ebetu ase sanso and na gidi ko no mepacho unye ebinom a koko na atete wo no mepacho yema etimu waist pain no menstrual pain no ebetu ase enema sanso ena gidi cough no mepacho unye ebinom a ewo a wo bonu koko kin di tuatua ufiefo aso no odi tuatua ho nkani aso no mepacho bomadi ase obekwa kope omo product mi na mepacho wanom okokolinak heba sanso ana dani heba wo ashtown for the men's na say blessings require okay wa obe enye bi ato open do support to from home awo 0268 9880 0268 9880 na mepacho watumi ene omo atwetwe enkomo Rockstar Roofing air system mepacho omo roofing sheet na ana the board down so ebe board ye papa omo se beto bi wo maso no mo discount of 50% unya wo baby bi omo so ene kwa ana wo ebenya sanso ana omo eton ceiling joints ene plastic bands no so mepacho utobia wo 50% 50% and also 20% installation on better so and so to me at the amount of plastic boards no what Ethiopia me patch 50% installation no one more better so and so to me at the amount from on I was 055 0544 33 80 42 0544 33 80 32 na me pacho wo ani omo entumi entwetwe nkomo andi ma member players ne so ani kumasi asante koroko ajapade e say ya ba be ton yi
well any player bia in Europe any player bia ni player ye fry no
any player bia
so u plan ye de what na play the level of your injury Yakuba injury no me say ado per the medical report ko na mnya ya doctor na frame
oh okay
and doctor no part of omo yes ade no say Yakuba ya we say ni engine ya ha secondly we yakotoko player na say ye kan Yakuba ho asema it tells you the speciality of the player ado me say and now Yakuba ball and anka big 2 Richard had 2 and obia anka Yakuba but these two strikers it's early days yet but unim say in Europe so when you strike and you do about 3 matches now people will question why you are not scoring. It's definitely issue about Yakuba will come into the discussion. Once again, when you got a player and say Yakuba aba, only complain biaye. And you were no.
Okay.
Omoko no mko DJ per them no bi ko bisa say Yakuba we. Nti you were no. E was so concentrating on the football play. Born now, wow. Fata will take $5,000. Hado. So what did you see? Can I offer you Rubia? And I'll be baby Ruby. So when your contract now, acquire Yakuba think when your contract no quite and confess can be Rubia. Into issues about Yakuba coming back into the team and you what Juma and foul. What are we soldier? You see a Nekobo number 2. You see a Nekobo 3 and you see a Nekobo 4. So coach Cassa as a lecture one. And no wa dwuma e wo so make it yourself obeye dia ma supporters no obeye na watimi anya sika dia frame whoever starts whoever comes on board whoever own the bebon it is none of your business the moment abeye say you tend to be a politician you ha and you the kind of manipulations abesi wo in Barcelona but fortunately he's not an indisciplined player Itiado Yakuba na club come ho a unim the speciality he brings on board you as a player nti se obana so oba be training na what ye tuane me nyire me ho no ado kotoko de obebo no anyire ho asa woni namu anu beja akwan woni namu anu beja akwan so simple nti wodwuma as a player no na what we on the field of play ene una we selection ene una what tactics ene una what player omo behavior and conduct na nye kotoko players na ye that is none of your business. Okay. Players make it yourself. There is a task ahead of them. Kotoko no players waha. Kotoko continue and qualify. Players omoto eto omode bo Africa ni na players ni omu nyina obi abeba betena fie because you nim that eba beche Ghana League ase. And as players enye good for them. Kotoko campaign na ende. Ebi ni competition bi ni ba bi wa kotoko ba abebo. Enti wo ye player ho na oto wa adwene ko. Mobile will be my exceptional performance. Because I played against Kano Palace. Go and check the last time Kano players sold in Africa. Obianka saw omunya ade. Losing by that particular slim margin is good for the club. Even in the European Champions League, teams like Kesene kwa omunya that result number o mama betene. But the concentration should be on the foot.
Okay.
Oye player ne waduma ni so obi mebobi obi amobi obi amatreni ade nti no wasaba.
Okay.
And the last thing I'm no see no. Issue about Obi Sikache Obi. Issue about me Bobby Obi Sikache Obi. Ado. Alexis Sanchez just in Manchester United board Bobby. Is he not the highest paid player in the team? Galobe matches in Korea Bibo. But Ado, player the Oba club adia waye. Adia Oba timi aye. Any reason omo the Oba club ni na bema osika semado. Akosoro. Nti Yakuba ba justify your inclusion. Ma minisu Yakuba ne Kwame Conte or Niaje, for example. Yakuba ba justify. Conte a player our ball or Sweden and Obama. Niaje has won the Confederation Cup. Wajidi Ghana. Wajidi the Champions League. It is hard to players. So someone not in negotiation table, not on negotiate here. And you know, put it on board.
Yakuba to me.
They be want to mean Kwakabi.
Yakuba justify.
And I do beside that. So over sign a contract. Over sign a contract. That's the contract and you're running. Now performance because obetimi mpanimfo akasa, but the reality is that ummeya who said adentina me buy and performance akwakoso ani eche Perry jisika che me nti sadia mebu ofu sanya man no should be tolerated in the club because ansana obi ado yeminu mian wo ha sie kwakopedi mo ba bia yebetim the same profile but obi akatu ye de be man nko ni nyina agina wo negotiating skills and then Yama would be on board, never must have him on side. I can't. Into Yakuba can be the poster ball of Kotoko.
Okay.
But they be or homo discarded. Into your contract new. And if Kotoko want to renew your contract, that is why we'll be negotiating for more. Until then, so players in a born when I'm a Bobby no be discarded. Alexis Sanchez depends on Manchester United. Tahi Chomun in our Bobo in the down. He is the highest player of the club. Based on the kind of profile I want both the man who as a player. It is all person to see kind of cost will be ado. Wait. Oba Kotoko down so now dear go into the good books of Kotoko. O kwa team na kwa beda ho. And never seen a Kotoko nya ya from replacement. Ebe seen a Kotoko nya Becky replacement. Ebe seen a Kotoko nya Harrison replacement. Almost set check the full bars Kotoko ato. After Yafrempong and Harrison from the left and on the right. But it be about the technical level also to me and Omunya. It tells you legacy of players they die. Until players then focus on the field of play, normal results. It is very, very important. South African is a performance cost. Who as a player and value cost because Ghanaian players in the board no more board. Fatal crack or say 35. Or no your best player of Ghana 35. Until maybe a udin kwa born go near one. Wouldn't than 15 10. Until so peja or more body said a bear also say oh ton wako. And I say we not contract our volume because I think that should be the important thing and that should be the focus of the players.
Okay, and I the comment so at the end no. Hansco Virgin engine oil no bomodian sebinia over pebi ediegu car nimo esanse Hansco de no and I say asantema kumase yaje atomo odigu oka engine my engine run kama boansuma o engine no touchma na say omo engine oil no odibi egu engine ma wa boa krama fuel consumption no and content terms and say amount forecast no omodi fuel guma na fuel nasa na me come for Hansco Virgin engine oil no ebi enso ede amount me patro upebi ato a okọ sister Becky Enterprise ewo Matthias Jasha ube enyebi etumi ato sanso na Big Joe ewo aswa ase market a me patro benyebi ato anasa okọ roundabout anasa okọ aboabo roundabout Master Kalim filling station wa enso me pacho okowa na utobi o mesesa ama free a wo enyo eye workmanship na se kapre bakra mo enyo from our 0242 66 0242 66 2885 0246 66 2885 na me pacho woni omo entumi entwetwe enkomo ya ne gina mi for eba be twetwe enkomo say 3D eposi no me see 3 days no me kwa kope say program bi aye say na no na sabato ateme na on lecture me na minimye na dende odi tu no me so me kwa koye na me free time no obi frame ha kwa kope bi kakra so e de egumi boto ya say pokra nsuo e den eto egum nana from Paul bibi abokore
asafo nya ko pa bibi abokore na obadwuma pa and then we say voice na sesam ba me pia me share the real sisi we interview online say question lines na obadwuma pa
say me share 3D no so aka
I be share 3D ni ka ho sabatis na ka cho yeah yes
you know chere me somebody be faso
ya chere no
no mind be
ya chere because as a 3D no we come one your first time you be it didn't now honum it the last time you catch as a sabat take advantage so he took advantage you know far and he
forms
board ni bi and yeah it so hu ye pa it you catch it for say and then or the sma pe and ye de chere no hu ye catch it for say and then ya fa 3 years enkosu adwuma bi mutie ni ye ya fa 4 years enkosu adwuma osafo ade ehu ni se wo de sa 3 years na kosu adwuma no wo hu adwuma en adwuma wo bone gidigidi se bia akosu afita na se bia akosu a eni ode ayi bia wo du ta ma bia wo se opon ho no afa na master be ye onne wo kira ni tukwa ba hwebachima me obeba sika boto na de agu ho no osisiu wo kasa wo che ho wo nyini as a so baby now ye now create your family we to create your nuclear family you understand and it bia wo be saade no na de ahobetie no akogyan na pay cases bi bem no one blessing no na obra ba ko e basa yesu twa no pa no enne ewiase asesa ewiase adane yesi 3D airport na aba me afa 3 days emma e say theory and intensive theory and practical training bra Brasada House number 5 forms CCA ya make say Brasada House forms near 100 Ghana cedis forms near 100 Ghana cedis e tu be fa no wa fele na de call na wa friend number 0248 900 502 0248 900 502 and 0244 020051 0244 020051 we be say na 3D airport ya body adwa ya so we de badia mutie 3D airport no connect no first bar no ye na nanom shata kwa me adase no ye say tete no na ye be kaka kire ayi opemso 246 to the 6 the first e do be kaka kire se na ne enkofuo bi wo ayi atakwa bi kromo o musi dan aye hu se sai Benin etu omu ko Benin na kofa sa akofo so mbesi adama ye netedan to mbesi netedan no satan ne da fom ne de keke ne safom ne da fom afei omua na afei ne ko na afei na rubber carpet aba cement ba na rubber carpet aba afei na woolen carpet aba afei na terrazzo so aba e na tiles aba se 3D airport na abayi tiles afu ho eye ginyame company mutie ni ye ginyame company enko ba bi me enko akodada ena no ye training no enkofo bi the first one nipa 5 pe the buy no mo say obukosu abi wo ba bi o ma hunu ni ye tie ni ye o ma hunu ni ye ene yesenya hwe ene ya ase na ye kire o mo the second no nipa 19 ena ba he eno so ba o so obukosu abi wo ba bi o ma hunu ye nnan sela o ma dwene no mo sa ba betu asika biem ene ye sa kire o mo and the last month yeah so nipa 21 ni adakwa me kan wa ha say e mo bi adi adase saliko kraka nipa 21 afi de ye ne sa ukọ ba bi ni ekoju sikadi let's one ya ensi ho mutie ni ye e Dufresne Conference Center Asida House and near 29th 29th
of this month
and the date bi abiem 29th 30th 31st 29th 30th 31st and ye de ye
3-day intensive practical training ye ginyame company ye de kofa biodigester bae ye de o flash ya na ahye ye de bae ye de akọ Nigeria ye de akọ Burkina ye de akọ Cote d'Ivoire ye de akọ all the surrounding countries ye de akọ you understand ye de sa kofa CCTV camera installations bae ye de kofa biogas e de bae ye de akọ South Africa ye de akọ bebi akọ church nkofo e de sa 3D epoxy aba Jamaica atia say etime nko baby foforo na enkotu sika mu na akoye eja wado ye ho no baba ye practicals obetie beche obehu eti 3D epoxy ya meka no e ya de aba foforo aba be yi tiles e de afri ho enu tiro I don't know advantage of this and design our penny at the mouse. I can be out there who hold me. What about me deserve your pay? Aquarium now pay, nature's now pay, a silver FM4 crest now pay, now pay, and I say about for foot to now pay. The bet you are 2 hot crack and your money glassy effect. 3D opposite the CCTV. And to say you're not a glass, so you understand. And now who saw them like the Tosua. Come on, Bontia. Let's we nature, your quiet aquarium, my papa be the bathroom. Now, they never buy, they didn't need to coin. They need to more Ghana commercial bank. And you don't call a conference be, a training be, or Botswana. It's all buy and the next one, Baby, or saw the surprise in the wife. No one prepare and what's up, person could not then the dark it was say, what to 2 million swimming possible. And yes, swimming pool. As I baby, and this swimming pool, the person also silver, a poor rebel, or Tiamu Crado. What we say, I want to show Debbie. And ye study at the channel, and the choir pastor here, dear. Or be baby, dear, now you see Debbie and Antissa. Ye masters with the master touch, and your demon. And ye 3D opposite trading. It's ye the first, I need to go near my first component, second component, we are. After Bama glassy effect, after who said yes, after 3D no honor. Advantage of so they say 3D opposite, and they say task.
Okay.
And then papa and I dear boss of crime pipe and a task who said to me now copia and you can't know any sakayano 3D society 3D and yes sanity but 3D also dear tell say ebiana and nay oh call him no could deserve in upper sano and we hear say betutu and I say baby dear you bet me aside ya dia faso and your mouth it is sending dear women in a ginger make company with you and your ginger make company yakwa kotua ya ban ye say ye pesa be hye ye ho ko o safo say what tete nkofo bebi o commentary the day ya wi say da bia anko be ka say o ba ye ba ekista do ma via ko enkola egu ho obi apeso ate so osafo ado enyame na hira o enti say wo so no o stretch the man nkofo mo omunya bi dia me ko ate say enu ti ne so ye say 3D airport ye fa hye enko ho ye chacha man nkofo so hunu bi ye chacha man nkofo hunu bi enti be for forms e was the house Casper F front desk. And 100 Ghana cedis. The phone number no 0248 900 502 0248 900 502 and 0244 02 0051 0244 02 0051. Before forms the phone number the number uchemu beje sanwa aduma no so ya oba ho a ye kire wa 3-day intensive practical training no ye be kire kwan ya be fa so be market ho oba market ho a wan kasa ba wo se obenya aduma ni bia ye enko be ya attracted to people nkofo de aduma be braw ya kasa be mo aduma ni bia ye advertise our television so media houses both electronic and printing media advertisement it is a duma ne ya buye so enakwa nipa ma dispatch omo ekwa dispatch omo ko ebi ko achimoda ebi ko ayida mango ebi ko doma hinkro ena onyame adom ochena bo ebi ko abetu akobokina ba ko na nea eben bokina abedi pele kro mo na nea ho no okwa hotel bi ompeso musi ene ye koye ho kakraka nipa ya dispatch omo ne edoso enti ubeka ho mpa eduma ne bebu so enti se o jurisdiction delegate no akwakoye enti fa ho be po giga company and ye 3D apples and na ba yetimi ye wo no person beto penti biema me si jama ye na pe design fabra o pe wan kasa design so ye be ma design ye be ye wo ne kama the amount afa o pe ceiling moral so a o ceiling ye be ye the amount and na ye koye papa bi de ba ne ceiling e o ke university o safo me se na anya asem petwa papa ne ceiling no se wo tene dem ho a o be ka se wo mo ne dan ne so Obaka se wiem ena wo ho etu hwe wonim se ya opanya ti se ya ohu wiem eti okupia pio no se bia papa ya de so to ababu ya dem ha o ne no ma besa batante sa 3D epoxy eno na aba ene biefo momra Ghana fo mo paduma mani so bieti na mo pedi nyame 3D epoxy eti osafo ye kai ni biem 29th of this month 29th of this month mutie ni ye enko ba bia kwa ye agya wadu 29th
makotu sika ntwe
enko sika ntwe 29th 30th 31st yes the 29th we see Thursday near Friday near twaso
Saturday
near wie na no nipa and comfort afro bi say near behu 3 days no first day ni kwa behu yes start at 8
sabato kura hu di obi abehu
oh
obi abehu
ke sabato say the credit etiro yes start at 8 near ya akosu 2 pm near akwaje ahome yakọ break near saba sa na tie sa na the following day sa obeye master ye ba ma certificate president ko for draft culture policy no o se ade bia efi ekrom kasa na enye eti na advanced countries no oma yi ekọ manum no eti edi ekrom kasa na twi na kire eti se wa ko school da o ti bro mutro we ya tala o ye meso be se bra 3D apasi we ya bank akra doctor akra de bra na be su afaka oduma ho na disika fadi number ni biom de kra no 0244 02 0051
okay
0244 02 0051 0248 900 502 0248 900 502 kotoko game e bay se ne nkofo pa sisi ama ye bigu o mo center table so no coffee table so no doso be kwa bitimi nkan kotoko yi abe kotoko emblem se ne ye gu nkofo agi so mo
po me ho na be bia bo me dem
enya sankotu enya wacha nyame adu wo kira nko e be take measurement ni aba be ya eti be ha tiefo ni ye dem
okay ano ji nyame fo na mo eti o mo kan ye bia telephone line so bet my friend na me pa cho issues I discuss wa no want to me actually wa again numbers no 0206 12 19 0206 12 19 0206 12 19 hello yes sir open ba ko pay from say o ka free Roman Menko